I am Baldeep and welcome to Shri Surajkund SVM News channel. First of all, listen news headlines. Kanjak Pujan Divine Celebration of Goddess Durga Blessings. Vibhag level competition showcases emerging stars. Light, liberation, joy. School marks Diwali and Bandi Chhod Divas with splendor. Scratch the competition. Pratham Bansal rocks Gyan Vigyan Mela. Illuminating Path of Truth, Guru Nanak Dev Ji's 556th birth anniversary was celebrated. Tribal icon Birsa Munda's legacy honored on his 150th birth anniversary. Hindi Chadar, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's 350th Martyr Day, a legacy of courage and faith. Imagination Unboxed, Primary Star, Stein at English Model Exhibition. Now we come into the details. On 30 September, Kanjak Pujan Divine Celebration of Goddess Durga Blessings. Shri Surajkund Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir in Sunam celebrated Ashtami Kanya Pujan with great favor. Honoring young girls as embodiments of Goddess Durga, the students ritually worshipped the girls, washing their feet, applying tilak. Delicious prasad and foods were also distributed. Principal Mr. Amit Dogra led the ceremony, urging students to plant a tree in the name of Mother Durga and observe a minute's silence. This event aimed to promote the respect for nature and the divine feminine. The celebration was a beautiful blend of tradition, culture, and environmental awareness, reflecting the school's commitment to holistic education. On 4 October, Vibhag level competition showcases emerging stars. विभागीय ज्ञान विज्ञान मेला 2025-26 मॉडल एंड एक्सपेरिमेंट रिजल्ट श्री सूरजकुंड सर्वितकारी विद्या मंदिर सुनाम students showcased their talent in model and experiment competitions, securing various positions for their outstanding performance. Here are detailed results. Math model Shishu Varg first position Arav Singla, second position Kirti, third position Sirat Kaur. Bal Varg second position Fauzia Khan, third position Hunardeep Kaur and Kanwalreet Kaur. Kishore Varg second position Gagandeep Kaur, third position Sahibjeet Kaur. Math experimentation Shishu Varg second position Gurnoor Kaur. Bal Varg second position Kamalpreet Kaur. Kishore Varg third position Usha. Science model Bal Varg first position Arman, third position Anmol Manveer and Kuldeep. Shishu Varg third position Moina and Gursirat. Kishore Varg second position Jasmine and third position Varun. Science experiment Shishu Varg second position Monica. The exceptional talent of students was shown in the Mela and students gave their best. On 17th October, light, liberation, joy, school marks Diwali and Bandi Chhod Divas with splendor. Shri Surajkund SVM's Diwali celebration was a grand success. The event featured a captivating Ramayana presentation, followed by a soulful Hanuman Chalisa and Bhajan session. The Punjabi club marked Bandi Chhod Divas with devotional shabds, with Ravneet Kaur sharing insights on its significance. The Shishu Sabha event saw young students shine in dance, poem recitation, storytelling, modeling, and anchoring. The celebration was a vibrant blend of culture, creativity, and student talent, making it a memorable Diwali experience. On 28th October, scratch the competition, Pratham Bansal rocks Gyan Vigyan Mela. Heartfelt congratulations to our brightest student. Shri Surajkund Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sunam proudly celebrated Pratham Bansal Class 8 student who scored second position in Uttar Kshetra Gyan Vigyan Mela, a shining star making us proud. 4 November, illuminating Path of Truth, Guru Nanak Dev Ji's 556th birth anniversary celebrated. Shri Surajkund Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sunam celebrated Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birth anniversary with great fervor. The event featured Japji Sahib recitation and Shabd singing by teachers and students. Principal Amit Dogra shared insight on Guru Nanak Dev Ji's life, welcoming guests including Dr. Lavleen Kaur and Dr. Avirash Rana. Students from Shishu Vatika visited Gurudwara Sahib, Pehli Patshahi, paying respects and seeking blessings. The Punjabi Club organized this meaningful event promoting Sikh heritage and values. On 15th November, tribal icon Birsa Munda's legacy honored on his 150th birth anniversary. Shri Surajkund Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sunam celebrated Tribal Pride Day, marking the 150th birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, a revered tribal hero and freedom fighter. Principal Mr. Amit Dogra highlighted Birsa Munda's inspiring life, emphasizing courage, struggle, and social service. Students enthusiastically participated in exhibitions showcasing the contribution of great tribal figures, reinforcing their pride in indigenous heritage. The event honored Birsa Munda's legacy, encouraging students to adopt his ideals and serve the nation. On 24 November, Hindi Chadar Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's 350th Matriyodam Day, a legacy of courage and faith. The 350th Matriyodam anniversary of blessed Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's Hindi Chadar was celebrated with great devotion at Shri Surajkund Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sunam, in which schoolgirls sang Shabd and Shlok Mahalla Nauma. In this program, Sardar Gurbachan Singh Mokha, former chairman, Forest Department, participated as the main speaker. He informed the students about the life of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Principal of the school, Mr. Amit Dogra Ji, welcomed all the guests and honored them with sropas and insignias. This program was organized by Punjabi Club. On 27 November, Imagination Unboxed Primary Stars Shine at English Model Exhibition. The primary department at Shri Surajkund Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir hosted an English model exhibition. Students dazzled with their best testing imagination, sparking joy. Judge for the exhibition was Shushma Di, who applauded every creative spark.